Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us the newly launched true wireless earphones from Noise, and they are the Noise Shorts X5 Pro. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and find out how they perform. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the model name and the picture of the earbuds. Noise recently did a rebranding and I really like this new branding and logo. At the back of the box we have some key features such as Qualcomm Aptx support, 2200 mAh charging case, 150 hours of playback time, full touch control, they are IPX7 waterproof and comes with the USB Type-C port. At the bottom of the box we have the box content info and the MRP, which is Rs 7,999. However, they are available for Rs 4,999. Now let's open the box and see the content. So on the top we have this thank you card which will give you 200 rupees off on your next purchase. And then we have this quick start guide which will show you how to pair and reset these earbuds. And below it we have the charging case which has the earbuds inside. The charging case has this rubberized texture on it. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So inside the box we get the user guide, a Type-C charging cable, and you also get 2 pairs of extra ear tips of different sizes. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earbuds closely. Now first about the charging case, the build quality is good and I really like this rubberized matte finish. The size of the charging case is a bit bigger, but that is mainly due to the massive 2200 mAh battery. One more thing about this case, that it comes with the Type-C port and you also have a regular USB port by which you can use it as a power bank. Now talking about the earbuds itself, the earbuds are very well built and you have this touch sensitive panel on both the earbuds. It looks like a button but it's a touch panel. You also have this ear hook design which will help you to give you a snug fit while working out. The weight of each earbud is approximately 5 grams and when I tested them, I felt really comfortable using them. In terms of other specification, you have the Bluetooth 5.0 support, they are IPX7 waterproof, which means splashes and water resistant up to 1 meter. Then in terms of battery backup, you can get 8 hours of playback time in one single charge, and with the case, you can get up to 150 hours of playback time. So overall in terms of design and build quality, I find them pretty good. You get good quality product here with a practical design for the earbuds. Now let's talk about the most important thing, that is the sound quality. I have used these earbuds for music and videos and the output you get from these earbuds is pretty good. One thing is there, I highly recommend you to try out different ear tips to see which one give you a better fit. Now coming back to the sound quality, you get good bass and the clarity is very good. Even at high volume, there is no distortion at all. There is no issue in the connectivity and these earbuds also support auto pairing. In terms of touch control, you have single tap to pause and play music, double tap to change tracks, and by triple tapping on the touch sensitive panel, you can call Google Assistant or Siri. One thing I should mention here about these earbuds, that you also get the volume control, and upon long touch on the earbuds, you can increase or decrease the volume. Now talking about the main USP of this product, which is the Qualcomm Aptx support. So as you can see that, you do get this Aptx audio logo when you connect the earbuds with your Android phone. And about the latency, there is no lag while playing videos on YouTube or any other streaming platform, but a very minor lag while playing games like PUBG and COD. So to sum it up, Noise Shorts X5 Pro offers good design and build quality. You get massive 2200 mAh battery in the charging case, which will keep you up and running for a week, and you can also use the charging case as a power bank. And in terms of sound quality, I'm really happy with the performance and the quality is very good. In terms of calls, these earbuds perform like any other true wireless earbuds, which means the other person on the call will hear some echo. Nonetheless, with the good design, sound quality and also with the Aptx support, I find these new earbuds from Noise pretty good. And guys, as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Noise Shorts X5 Pro True Wireless Earphones. Let us know if you like them and also do tell us your favorite feature of these earbuds in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.